Hey Aiden.
Hello.
What are we doing today?
We're doing some work on this thing.
Hey guys, what's going on? Back to another video. So it is currently New Year's and we found out that my car has an exhaust gasket leak. And so we're gonna fix that today. I got my buddy Aiden here. What's that? We got the parts from Repco and we're gonna change the wiper blades while we're at it. So as you can probably hear, there is a tick right about there. So that's part of the reason why we're going to be kind of doing this. It's very loud, it's very uneasy, plus it's good, it's just janky. So we're going to fix it today and you guys can watch us. So another thing we like to do is wrap these with rags, just in case you fuck up and they come crashing down, they're gonna smash your windscreen, so make sure to tie these.
We're making progress.
We're making mad progress. Oh, man.
Yeah, there's a lot of rust.
Dude, no, take this bottom panel off.
Holy, with that.
Yeah! Dude. Where's the bolt?
Oh, that.
Where's the bolt? Is the bolt there? Where's the bolt?
There's no thread there either.
What the fuck?
Someone's pulled the thread out of the engine. What did you buy? The fuck have you
Dude, is it even worth replacing? We can't even get it back in.
No. What's the bet that it's been real fucking tight?
Ladies and gentlemen, we bought a lemon! Woo!
No,
so, we've
what's the bet? They're so tight that when you pull one off, it pulls the whole thing out. And so they couldn't be fucked pointed back in, and they probably were going to do a gasket on or something. And then they pulled one out, and it was like, nah.
Dude, and we were wondering why it sounded like a tractor. I mean, it's literally fucked.
Yeah. I doubt you've got a spare one of those in the garage.
Well,
off the old engine.
Old engine? Dude, old engine.
Old engine.
Old engine! Old engine! Old engine! Oh yeah. Anyone looking for a good vid? We might post one of how I blew my old motor. Changing spark plugs. That one's the one that's missing.
Yeah. Now we just got to figure out how to get that off. It's because you've turned the wheel already.
See these? Get fucked, motherfucker.
Penetration is what Tom doesn't get.
Alright, so far we've got the nuts off there. Get a bit of a sneak peek in there.
We've discovered a lot of problems.
So we found out why we don't have air conditioning. I've decided to take like the whole front headlight off. And there's no, condenser?
No condenser.
So that's hooked up and that's not even doing anything. So
Yeah.
we need to get one of those.
We also discovered thread snapped in the block, but no one's done anything about it.
If you want to know what it was like to get these off, it was rather easy. We needed no wrenches.
No wrenches, just our hand.
Just our hand.
They were all finger tight.
And we wonder why it was
Noisy.
coming out. Look at that. Yummy.
You should blow it.
Where?
Oh, a bit of that
Oh,
just
good.
fell down the engine as well.
Nothing left.
So far, we have come across a lot of problems. One being a snapped bolt. And it's right in there.
Wasn't us though.
So we're currently trying to make a new thread. And we got the mad scientist over here doing it. Worst case scenario, we use a helicoil. Best case scenario, we don't.
Tell all the people out there in fucking Wonderland how fucking good you are.
Oh, I'm like the best, like 10 times better than this fucking...
Yeah.
Alright, so now we're going to be sanding these down and painting them black again, so
They look
get
good.
that nice smooth chotchiness to it.
Chotch.
It is now night time. We have been quite busy at work trying to sort this out, kind of behind the scenes. One of the threads that was, I think, what one was it? Was it that one there?
Is that one?
Yeah, it was snapped off previously.
Previous owners.
Ended up retapping the thread and everything worked well. And it works just fine. So what we're going to do is we've got to go back to the store and get a different gasket because the one that the store gave us was completely broken and just like it wasn't even the right one and it was broken when it came out. So we've still got the I don't know wiper blade hangers.
Blade. I forget what they're
Oh, I'm just gonna call them
Wiper arms, right?
wiper arms. Yeah. They've just been primered. We went and had dinner while they were drying, and now we're gonna spray paint them black, kind of match how they were.
Yeah, how they're meant to be.
Yeah. So that's pretty much all that's been happening lately. Hopefully, we can get this done tomorrow and see it running. And
Go for
I
it.
can't wait. I can't wait for this engine to fucking not tick. We've just done the last fresh coat on these bad boys, and hopefully they dry pretty quickly and we can chuck them on the car. I can't wait. We've already got the new wiper blades over here, so we've got these bad boys all ready to go on, and hopefully it'll look 10 times better than what it used to be. It's amazing how the small things can make a difference.
Yep.
Aiden knows all about that. Hey guys, so back on day 2 of this build. We've got the gasket for it. Aiden's already sitting down on his fucking chair.
Yep. It's a comfort chair.
Let's get to it. Sweet, so what are we doing, Dad?
Put some manifold seal on it. So in order to it will stick and give a good seal once you stick to the engine.
How do you feel about this, Aiden?
Hope we don't have it run into any more problems.
Knowing this engine, it's probably gonna throw a fucking sensor out.
Oh yeah.
Something's gonna go fucking, nah, I don't like this. Aiden?
What?
You're a cool guy.
Yeah. I know. So are you.
Thanks, bud.
Some days.
I mean, some days.
Nah. Having you on, buddy. Is that I think that's the bit we want to use. It comes with different bits that you put on to fit your vehicle. Or unless that one works.
It's pretty well to me.
You really are much more than just rear view camera specialists.
JC installs 19 Stewart Street in the CBD.
Sick!
Good to go. So that's the end of the video. Car's running. We're gonna go for a cruise now. Thanks for watching, guys.
Yeah, cheers.
Peace.
Oh shit, I'm bleeding. Oh no, you're bleeding. Where? Oh shit. I was like, oh shit, I'm bleeding, but no, it's not me, it's you.
First one of the day.